Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily delete social links from your Reddit page. So the clickable links like Instagram, Cash App, OnlyFans for example. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. The first thing, of course, open up your mobile device or head down to your desktop browser and open up Reddit. Now from out to Reddit application, what you want to do, you want to go to the top right corner where your profile picture appears, and from here you choose the first option, that is profile. Now once you open up the profile, your profile will appear. As you can see, I have three options, that is my Instagram, my Patreon and my Cash App. Now let's say I want to delete all these links. What I want to do is if I press add social link, for example, I don't have the option to delete this. But what I want to do is go to the top right corner where it says edit, right beside my username. Now once you press edit, here you can see the social links. As you can see right here, people who visit the profile can click these. Now to actually delete these, simply press the little X right beside it, and then the social link will be deleted, as you can see right here. Now make sure to press save. And as you can see, I deleted the Patreon and the Instagram from my profile page. It's easy as that. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.